Hi everyone, welcome to integration users. So now I will show you the process of consume SOAP API on-prem designer and an IO integration. Consume API is simple one, and to do that we just need to have a WSDL URL. We have so many sites which provides you the WSDL to test. I got a simple one which we can consume without authenticated. So no need to give username and password here to consume that. So when you got the WSDL from partner, first browse it to make sure it is working. This is the URL. I will mention this in description so that you can take it and have a test once. So let me try it once. So it is working. We are getting some data. Okay. Now let's go to designer back. Uh, Here create folder called consumer, and now create a WSDL. Here take the new one and go to the web service descriptor to create consumer. Give any name. I'm giving number conversions as you can see here in this WSDL we have two operations. One with convert number to words and second one with convert number to dollars. So overall we can say this API is for converting numbers. So we are creating consumer, not provider. So select the consumer. If you select consumer, it will ask for WSDL. So because with the existing IS, we can create only the provider, not the consumer. To create consumer, we need WSDL file or WSDL URL. Like here, file or URL. Just select it, and you can give the URL here directly, or you can, if you have the WSDL file, you can browse it. I mean, you just place the WSDL file anywhere in your local PC, or and then just browse it. Yeah, this is my URL. Go to the designer and paste here. So next, okay, keep same as is. Next, here you have to select the namespace. If you got the namespace, then only you can allow to finish it. Otherwise, you can't. If you don't have namespace, you should check the WSDL, or you have to check with your partner who shared the WSDL. So now I am good to go. Finish it. Yeah. Here, you see here, we have, as we discussed, we have two operations: number words, number to words, and number to dollars. You go here, you can see in the consumer number to words and number to dollars. So we have these two operations. Now first check whether these are working or not. For that, just go to here and go to connectors. These two connectors we can find here. Number conversions, number to dollars, number to words. First check this. Just try to run flow service. Yeah, just check. Give any number like 34. It has to be showing dollars. Go to results. Yeah, it is $34. Now check the other connector. Run it. Give any number. Okay. Okay. Perfect. So it is also working for fine. Okay, now let's close it. Minimize everything. create a flow service. Now we are going to convert to words. Convert number to words. Okay, finish it. So take try catch here. Invoke the get lost error. Save it. Here go to consumer and go to connectors. And now what we are doing, convert number to words. You just invoke that connector to here. Move it to right. So take this first of all. Okay, just click it and go to the pipeline. You can see the input and output. Just copy these and give the input to the service. Same one. Paste here. Same like for output. So now just try to run it. Run 65. Now so 200. So we can connect and 65. It is in words. So it is working. If you test the negative scenario, give any alphabet. Okay. So now you can see status is 900, not 200. And we got the fault. What is that fault? Value does not conform to data type because we have given the characters. It's a string, but what we are doing, we are converting the number to words. Number means it is an integer. It should be an integer. So we have to handle that. So insert branch and check for the status. The status is like in the transport we will have status. Whenever the status is 200, it gets success. Other apart from 200, it means it is failed. So test on that. Copy it, or else you can copy from here the transportation. Copy it and go to the branch. We'll go with false only. Okay, switch. Now take one sequence for success case. Success means 200. Take another one for the failure case. So apart from 200 should be default. So other than 200, if you receive the status, it should be come here. Just save it. So now you can say uh, and just insert a map. You can drop everything as it is working for fine. So what we have in the output, we have only words to response. So keep that in the output. Apart from that, everything you should drop. So now save it, test it once. Is it? Yeah, run. Not in failure case, test the success case. 45. So we got only this. This is fine. So now test the now code the second case. So use the throw exception built-in service. This one is ready. We can test it now. So next step, and go to the default. Next step. So it is going to catch. Okay. Result. Now we can see so many variables, documents. So we need only the response. Other than response, we don't need anything. In that case, just take the finally and set finally insert a map to drop all unnecessary variables. Go to the pipelines. So, message 1, 2, 3, 4. So sorry. Go to the pipeline and drop everything. Drop this one and also fault transport. Copy it. You can drop here or you can drop directly in the finally. I am dropping in finally. Paste. Oh, it's dropped there already. In that case, you have to paste in pipeline in also. So now you can drop it, and the message also we are getting over there. Compete. Drop. So now okay, we are getting this one also. Copy. Go to the map pipeline. Paste here. Drop this one also. So you'll get only that variable what we need it. So it is working. Run again with the success case and failure case. We have already ran with failure case. Now run with success case. 45. Okay. Okay. 45. So this is done. We have consumed it and we got the result as expected. So now do the same for another operation. Okay. Now it is time to create the flow service to convert the numbers to dollars. Give right click and flow service, convert number to, finish it, take the try catch, get the get last error, save it. Same, just invoke the connector of dollar, move it to right, go to the sorry, select it, copy this one, Go to input, paste here, entry, copy this one, in output paste. Okay, paste it, save it, run it now, give any value. So it is working. Now introduce the batch step. Take two in maps for one. It is to 200, 200, and this is for default. Follow the same. Here actually we need to drop everything. We will drop again later. So in default, it's not a map. It should be throw one, throw exception. It should be default here. Now give the message. Before that, just copy the two variables, status and status message. Status message. Set to value. Failed while convert to dollar with error code percentage. And error message again percentage. Okay, fine. So it should be come to here in the get lost error map to this one result. Copy it and come to finally insert the final step. Finally, to drop variables, we need a map step. So drop everything apart from that response. Drop, save it, run it. 76 $76 is fine. Give any alphabet. Okay, perfect. You can map fault error also here. Okay. Now we will see the same in the IO integration. Now first we go to the connectors and create the connectors. Go to as this is soap. Go to the soap. Create the new connector. Just click and add connector. So import from URL. We have URL as you know. Take this, paste here, and if you have a file, you can import the file and create it.
Now I have URL. I am directly pasting this URL and doing it. Next, name, that is for number conversions, right? So give number conversions. So space is not allowable here. Give description, and it is not authenticated one, so we are not using username and password. Save it. Okay, now account is created. This is for words and this is for dollar. Go to the connector info. It is the SOAP connector. Number conversions to, there is a description. So now go to the integration flow services, create a service, number conversion to dollars. Save it. Last error. Come here. Take the connector that what we created. So number conversion. Here we have to choose the operation. As you know, we have we have two operations like number to words and number to dollars. Number to dollars and number to words. Go here and check. We are creating $2, so select the $1 dollar. Now account. So we don't have account, we didn't create it. Now we will create. Configure account. Take the new one. Here number conversion, SOAP binding. Here you can select any binding. For now I am selecting this binding. So this is the URL. We are not going to give any username password, as we can directly access it. Add. So it got added and we have selected it. See, it got added. Now you can just copy, I'm sorry, you can just save it and run it once to check. One more thing. Yeah, see here, we have input. It is expecting this input and this is the output it's going to give. So copy the same, copy the field and go to input output, paste in the input fields. How to paste? This is the icon to paste. Yeah, it is pasted. Fine, done. And take the output, copy field, go here, go to the output, paste it, open it, done it, save it. So now you can run. This is the button to run it. Give any value, 12, run. It's giving the response $12. So it is working. Now we have to handle the status. I mean, if it is 200 it success, otherwise it fail. Add the step. Here it is the add to step. Take if else, if condition. We have status equal to 200 and 200 is the string, not the number. Select the string one. So if 200, this is the one. If not 200, throw the error. throw the error and give some message like first copy it. No, we can't select multiple fields. Copy field name, not the entire field. You can click perform variable substitution, because I'll let you know. Got failure while convert dollar with error code. Just give percentage. You can have the variables here because you selected the perform variable substitution. If you didn't, it will not show any value. If you just select it, it will show the all the pipeline variables, like, yeah, percentage. Then you go to the transport info and status and and error message, give percentage, transport info, status message, save it. Now you drop everything, this one and this one, drop it, save it, and go again. You should see the message. This one also drop. You can drop these in finally also. Save it. Now go to the success case. Here we are not doing anything, we are just dropping other than the response. But to see the logs in the monitor, we just add the log custom message. Log custom message. Take this, copy the field name in message, perform variable substitution, converted to dollar. Response result. Fine. Save it. You can drop these now. Drop it. Drop it. Save it. Again, you can drop. Message. You can drop it. Save. Now run it. Give any value. We had 12 already. Run it. $12. Fine. Test the error scenario as well. Or run. Okay, it's going to cache flag, so that we are getting the lost error. So now we will add this error to the this response. Where is the response? Okay, we will add it. So add this error to, sorry, add this error to this result. and now map everything in the final step. So take one transform pipeline, and here see what are the possibilities. Otherwise you just undrop here, you can drop over there in the finally black. This you can drop it below there. Here also just undrop everything. So now go to the finally black. Here undrop everything. Undrop. Sorry, drop. Yeah, save it now and run it. So it should be alphabet. Still we got fault. So finally just create one document with fault. If we enter fault, it is a document type. Document, save it. Now drop it. Drop this. Save it and run it. Okay, good. Run with the success case. It's taking time. Yeah, perfect. Now create another service. Sorry, create a flow service called number conversion to words. So now try catch, get last error. Okay, now number conversion, it is soap call. It is two words. Select the words. An account, select an account. Now next step, if else, yeah, status equal to 200 with the string, throw it, copy it, while converts the number to words with error code, transport info, status, and error message, transport info, status message. That's it. Saved. Now go to the success case. Log custom message. Copy this, or else you can directly type here by perform variable substitution. Successfully converted number to words. Let's put this one in result. Okay, save. Okay, save it and go here. In catch block, what we did, we just mapped the error to response. Yeah, and taken the finally and drop everything here. Transform pipeline and drop everything apart from that. This one, save it and go here. We missed it, like go here and take the inputs, copy it and go to the input output variable, paste it here, done. And copy it, go to the input output variable, output, paste it here, done. Now this one also you can drop in the finally. Save it. Now run it. Same 12, 12, fine. Give any special character, fault. Take the fault here and drop it in the input. It is a document, save, save and run it. Run. What happened? Didn't we drop over there? I think so. Sorry. Fault, document, drop it. We missed to drop earlier. Save it. Run. Run with the special character. So we got the result. Now run with the proper input. Run. Yeah, got it. That's it. So this is the way how we can consume this SOAP API designer as well as in IO integration. Please subscribe if you like it. Thanks for watching.